Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here with another song tutorial, which is Narcos Tuyo intro solo. It really gives you the confidence if you're a beginner to like solo, because it is simple and it sounds great. So it is an awesome way to start playing solo. It is very simple. There's a small gam here between fret 7 and fret 12, so it is pretty easy to do. Anyways, let's just get right into it. Okay, so you're starting off with the fret 10 of the E string. You can slide, but you don't have to. I just found it like better. It is being a great start, so I just do slide from like 7, 6. And just give like a little vibrato, so 10, 9, 8. So and then you're on the fret 11 on the B string. So far. And then on the G string, you're hitting the 7th fret. So the first part. Now what you do, slide to fret 11 now. So we were on the fret 10 in the beginning, and now we're sliding on the fret 11. It is just 11, 10, 9, 8. Then 11th fret on the B string. So and then you're just playing it on the 8th string, 8th fret on the B string. Hammer on 8th fret. And then it goes. So far. And then it repeats the first part. However, so the first part was ending like it was ending on the G string. Now what we do, so rather than just playing it on the G string, we're just playing that on the B string. And then from here, once you play this, so, and then you're moving on to 8th fret. From the beginning. I will also put the tab here so you can read it from there too. It is a really simple song. It will take like 15 minutes for you to play, for you to learn. So yeah, that was it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Take care, stay safe.